If your data looks like a tangled mess, you're in the right place. Let's straighten it out with Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory, or ADF, is like a super smart factory for your data. It helps you move, transform, and manage data across different sources. Think of it as your data's personal assistant. With ADF, you can connect to a variety of data stores like databases, files, and web services. It's perfect for combining and cleaning data from different places. The main components: pipelines, datasets, and linked services. Pipelines are like the assembly lines, datasets are your raw materials, and linked services are the tools. For example, imagine you have data in both Excel and SQL databases. ADF can grab that data, clean it up, and load it into a central place ready for analysis. The benefits: time-saving, easy data integration, and better insights. So give ADF a try and watch your data flow like magic. Come and join Vaanii Technology to know more about ADF with our expert trainer. Happy data adventures.